How to stop Reddit from emailing you. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Reddit. And once you do that, click on the avatar at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings. And here, from the general section, click on account settings and then scroll down to the contact settings section, and from there click on manage emails. And here you will be able to stop and disable all of the emails notifications that you will get from Reddit. You can turn some of them off while leaving the others on, or you can turn on the unsubscribe from all emails option at the bottom, and by doing that you will stop all the notifications from Reddit. And by this means that Reddit will not email you. It's that easy and simple. So that is it for this video. That's how you can stop, disable, and turn off the email notifications from Reddit. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.